Introducing the Jet Ski Sea-Doo PWC Sound Library Volume 2. Featuring onboard microphone techniques, multiple perspective recordings and perfectly seamless loops. Featuring ultra-high resolution, 192 kHz 24-bit audio files, positioned for both inside and outside the jet ski. You will be equipped with insanely detailed control for interactive dynamics in game audio or film sync, from idle to maximum speed. Provided you will find seamless loops at every 500 RPM interval. Not only will you have the most detailed onboard recordings of a Sea-Doo, you will also receive engine revs, both dry and wet engine startups, and engine shutoffs. But wait, there's more. A hot 2-pack deal. Volume 1 contains recordings of jet ski pass bars, joyriding, slow to fast acceleration and deceleration, driveaways, and drive-ins. So what are you waiting for? Get the hot 2-pack deal and start creating some epic Sea-Doo video games and hair-raising jet ski movie scenes for the world to enjoy.